Hey everyone! Today we're going on a trip to a really small country inside of Italy, San Marino. Nestled in the heart of the Italian peninsula, San Marino is one of the world's oldest republics and boasts a rich history that dates back over 1,700 years. Despite its small size, this microstate is packed with fascinating stories, breathtaking landscapes, and a unique charm that sets it apart from any other destination. Get ready to be amazed by its cool history, beautiful places, and special charm. San Marino is not just a place, it's an experience. From its medieval architecture to its stunning natural beauty, every corner of this country tells a story. The historic landmarks, such as the Three Towers of San Marino, offer a glimpse into the past and the resilience of its people. The scenic views from Mount Titano are nothing short of spectacular, providing panoramic vistas that will leave you in awe. This tiny country, a symbol of freedom and strength, promises a super fun adventure. San Marino's fortresses stand as proud sentinels, guarding the legacy of a nation that has maintained its independence for centuries. As we explore, we'll uncover the stories of bravery and determination that have shaped this remarkable place. The towers of Monte Titano, each with its own unique history, offer a journey back in time to an era of knights and castles. We'll discover the secrets of San Marino's long independence, which started way back in 301 AD. Imagine a place that has stood the test of time, preserving its sovereignty through countless challenges. San Marino's story is one of resilience and pride, with its roots tracing back to the early Christian era. The historic sites and ancient manuscripts provide a window into the past, revealing the enduring spirit of this small but mighty nation. We'll learn about its interesting culture, try its yummy food, and immerse ourselves in the local traditions. San Marino's culture is a vibrant tapestry woven with centuries of history and tradition. From the delicious local cuisine, featuring dishes like piadina and torta tremonti, to the lively folk events that celebrate the country's heritage, there's so much to experience. Dining in the outdoor cafes, you'll get a taste of the local flavors and the warm hospitality of the San Marinese people, and walk through its charming streets. The cobblestone streets of San Marino are like a journey through time, each step echoing with the whispers of history. As we stroll through the historic streets, we'll encounter street vendors selling local crafts and souvenirs, adding to the charm and character of this enchanting place. The architecture, with its medieval and Renaissance influences, creates a picturesque setting that feels like stepping into a storybook. So, grab your imaginary passports and let's explore the magic of San Marino. Whether you're an avid history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, San Marino has something to offer. This journey promises to be filled with discovery, adventure, and unforgettable moments. So, let's set off on this timeless journey and uncover the hidden gems of San Marino together. San Marino is super proud to be the oldest country in the world that's still around today. This tiny nation, nestled in the mountains of Italy, has a rich history that dates back over 1,700 years. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, offering a unique glimpse into a bygone era while still thriving in the modern world. Started in 301 AD by Saint Marinus, a stoneworker who wanted to be safe from people who didn't like his religion, San Marino has a fascinating origin story. Saint Marinus, fleeing persecution, found refuge on Mount Titano and established a small community that valued freedom and independence above all else. This spirit of resilience and determination has been passed down through generations. It's been around for a really long time. The ancient stone buildings and historical architecture of San Marino stand as a testament to its enduring legacy. Walking through its narrow streets feels like stepping back in time, where every corner tells a story of courage and perseverance. Think about it, for over 1,700 years, this tiny country has protected its freedom. The fortified walls that surround San Marino are not just physical barriers, they symbolize the strength and unity of its people. These walls have witnessed countless events and have stood strong against numerous challenges, embodying the spirit of independence that defines San Marino. San Marino's rule book, written way back in 1600, is the oldest one still being used today. This ancient legal document, known as the Statutes of 1600, is a remarkable example of the country's commitment to governance and justice. It outlines the principles and laws that have guided San Marino for centuries, ensuring stability and fairness in its society. This shows how much San Marino cares about fairness and making its own decisions. The government buildings, where these laws are upheld, are a symbol of the country's dedication to self-governance. The people of San Marino take great pride in their ability to make decisions that reflect their values and traditions, maintaining a system that has stood the test of time. It's a symbol of freedom and something the people of San Marino are really proud of. The flag of San Marino, waving proudly in the wind, represents the enduring spirit of this remarkable nation. Celebrations in the historical squares of San Marino are a testament to the pride and joy its citizens feel for their heritage. This small country, with its rich history and unwavering commitment to independence, continues to inspire and captivate the world. While everyone in San Marino speaks Italian, they also have their own special way of talking. You'll hear it when people chat at the markets and when families talk to each other. If you want to say hello in San Marino, say buongiorno. It's a nice and friendly way to start talking to someone. The people of San Marino are known for being very kind and welcoming. Over the years, San Marino has been home to some amazing people who have done great things. These people, from artists to athletes, show what this small but strong country is all about. Some are talented painters, sculptors, and musicians whose work has been seen all over the world. Others are great athletes who have played sports for San Marino in big competitions. What they've done inspires kids and shows that even a small country can have amazing people. Section 5. Yummy food in San Marino. San Marino's food is a mix of Italian food with its own special flavors. Imagine eating fresh pasta with herbs grown in the hills of San Marino. You should definitely try the torta tremonti, a cake with layers of wafers, chocolate, and hazelnut cream. And don't forget to have some local wine with your meal. Every bite and sip will make you feel like you're in this charming country. Section 6. San Marino's pretty views. Even though San Marino is small, it has some really beautiful places. There are tall cliffs and rolling hills, and you can see amazing views. Imagine hiking through forests, breathing in the fresh air, and finding hidden waterfalls. Nature in San Marino is peaceful and amazing. Section 7. San Marino and the world. Even though it's small, San Marino wants everyone to get along and be peaceful. It doesn't take sides in fights and tries to help everyone talk things out, and other countries respect that. San Marino is part of world groups and talks about important things like human rights, helping the planet, and stopping fights. Even though it's a small country, it's trying to make the world a better place. Section 8. How San Marino makes money. Lots of people visit San Marino because of its history, cool things to see, and beautiful places. This makes tourism really important for San Marino. San Marino also makes things, has banks, and makes special stamps. People all over the world like to collect their coins and stamps. Section 9. Exploring cool things in San Marino. There's a lot to see and do in San Marino. This tiny landlocked country, nestled within Italy, is a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Despite its small size, San Marino offers a rich tapestry of experiences that will captivate any traveler. From its medieval architecture to its vibrant festivals, there's something for everyone to enjoy. You should start at the 3 towers on top of Mount Titano. These iconic structures are not just historical landmarks, but also offer some of the most stunning views in the region. The towers, named Guaita, Cesta, and Montale, date back to the 11th century and have stood the test of time, witnessing countless historical events. These old towers give you an amazing view and show you how San Marino protected itself a long time ago. As you walk through the fortifications, you can almost feel the presence of the ancient guards who once stood watch over the city. The panoramic views from the towers are simply breathtaking, offering a glimpse into the past while providing a stunning backdrop of the surrounding countryside. Then, explore the old city center, with its winding streets and cute shops. The cobblestone streets are lined with charming boutiques, cafes, and restaurants, each offering a unique taste of San Marino's culture and heritage. As you wander through the narrow alleys, you'll discover hidden gems and local treasures that make this city so special. You can find handmade things like pottery, leather bags, and old-fashioned crossbows. These artisanal products are a testament to the craftsmanship and creativity of the local artisans. Whether you're looking for a unique souvenir or a special gift, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. The markets and shops are filled with beautifully crafted items that reflect the rich cultural heritage of San Marino. If you want to have even more fun, visit during one of San Marino's festivals. The festivals are a vibrant celebration of the country's traditions and customs, featuring lively music, colorful costumes, and delicious food. These events provide a unique opportunity to experience the local culture and connect with the friendly people of San Marino. They have music, dancing, food, and traditional clothes. The streets come alive with the sounds of traditional music and the sight of dancers in beautiful costumes. The aroma of local delicacies fills the air, tempting your taste buds with a variety of flavors. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the food at these festivals is a highlight that you won't want to miss. As the sun goes down, think about how special this small country is. The evening sky paints a picturesque scene, with the three towers silhouetted against the vibrant hues of the sunset. It's a perfect moment to reflect on the beauty and charm of San Marino, a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. San Marino, a symbol of freedom, strength, and old-fashioned charm, will stay in your memory. The country's rich history and cultural heritage are evident in every corner, from its ancient fortifications to its bustling markets. San Marino's enduring spirit and timeless beauty make it a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. I hope this makes you want to visit San Marino someday. Have a great trip! Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply looking for a picturesque getaway, San Marino has something to offer. So pack your bags, set your sights on this enchanting destination, and get ready to create unforgettable memories. Safe travels.